Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your kailaan. Kailaan is also known as Chinese broccoli. It's very similar to sprouting broccoli but takes far less time to grow. It can be ready in as little as 10 weeks from sowing. So you can sow your Chinese broccoli from spring right through to early autumn, and I find that it's really great to sow as we're heading into autumn, and it's just something to look forward to as the summer comes to a close. So you can direct sow your Chinese broccoli seeds, or you can sow into modules. So I'm going to use these modules, and as you can see, I've filled it with compost. I'm going to make a little dimple into each cell. I'm going to sow a couple of seeds per cell, and then once those seeds germinate, I will remove the weakest seedling. And then I'm just going to cover those seeds with a thin layer of compost. And then I'm just going to give them a light water. So as you can see, my modules are quite big, so once those seedlings germinate, I will remove the weakest seedling, and then I will just grow the remaining seedling on to develop some true leaves and put on a nice healthy root system. If you've sown into smaller modules or into trays, then you will need to carefully transplant your seedlings into either small pots or large modules like this, grow them on a little bit, and then we can look to transplant them into their final growing positions. And then when we do plant our young plants out, we want to space them about 20 to 30 centimetres apart. We're going to keep the growing area weed-free and well-watered as those plants establish. And like I say, Chinese broccoli can be ready in as little as 10 weeks in the right conditions. You'll want to harvest the tender flowering shoots before the buds start to open. The young leaves are also delicious, and you can harvest them throughout the growing season while you're waiting for the shoots to appear. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, or you can get me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.